guys, it's Rich the HD here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So now it's messed up. You need to choose a side, so I'll choose white, and you need to find a white edge. So here's one. Needs to be at the bottom, but the white needs to be facing the bottom, so we do that. How to let the white be at the bottom? Just move it away any side and then just move it up, attach it to this your secondary color, and then move it down, and then there will be, and then you just move it all the way up, and your color needs to be matching the color that is on your edge piece. So the white edge piece is in, but the green needs to be with the green, so all you need to do is move that to the green center, and then find another one. This one is on the side, so all you need to do is just move it, and then move it away, and then move that back up. Then you have your white edge piece there. Move the blue to the blue center, and then move the white all the way up to the white, and then find another edge piece, white edge piece. Here's one. This one is right here, so what you need to do is move it. So if it's there, you move it twice, and then move it away, move it up, move it down, and then if there's a white edge piece that was already there, move it back up, and then there your edge piece will be. Then it's already matched to the red center, so you need to just move it all the way up to the white, and then if there is a white edge piece, so there's a white edge piece here, need to move half of the course that you already made down, but you messed that up, so the white is facing the bottom, so that's good. All you need to do now is just move it away, then move the edge piece back up. The orange is already matching the orange center, so you need to put the white to the white center, like that. Now I need to put the corners in the right place. All you have to do is find the white corner. So here's one. And this time it needs to be right there, so the white needs to be facing you. So just try and find where it goes. So this is green, orange, no, green, red and white. I need to move it to the green, red and white. So the green, red and white is here. You don't move this bit down, because then that's just gonna move your corner piece. You just move it away, but not that side, because then it'll be like that. So you move it away to the right, move it down, move where you're going to put it down, and then move the white corner back, and then you put that back up to the white, and that's how you put a corner in. It should be like that if you've already done a corner. So there's another one here, but this time it's facing towards you. You need to move it like that, not like this, because then the white edge piece is going to be facing, no, the white corner piece is going to be facing down. So you need to move the white and blue edge piece down, but then it's messing up this bit, so you move it to the left and move it back up. Then this one is orange, green and white, and here's orange, green and white. You need to move it away, move it down, move the white edge piece down, then move it back, and then move it back up, and then it should look like this if you done two next to each other. Now there's another one here, another edge piece here, and it's in the right place, and it's orange and blue and white, so you need to move it to the orange, blue and white, move it away, move the white edge piece down, move the white corner piece back, then move it back up. So you nearly solved the face there. This time the white edge piece is there, so move it down, move it away, move it up. Then here it is, it's in the right place because you only need one more to complete a face. Move it away, move it down, move it back, move it up. There is your face. Now you need to sew the second layer. You need to get the edge piece in where it's supposed to go. So here's an edge piece without yellow. So it's green and orange, and you need the colour facing towards you to their center colour, so orange with orange or green with green, and then you just move it away from the orange and green, move the orange and green and white down, move the white corner piece away, and then move it up, and then you need to put that corner back in like this. So move away, move that white down, and then move the white back. Then there's your edge piece there, so do that to all of your edge pieces. There's one, and then you need to put it in there, so you do that. And then orange needs to go in there, so move it away, move it down, move it away again, and then put the white corner piece back. So the second layer is nearly done, just need one more there. So it's in the right place, yeah.